Hello there, Seahawk family. My name is Michael Metch. I'm the Dean of Culinary Arts here at Keiser University's Center for Culinary Arts in Sarasota, Florida. And today we're going to spend some time making 5 meals with 14 simple ingredients. Some that are store-bought, some a little bit pre-made, and some of them we're going to show you how to do the simple work to come up with some great results and healthy family, simple meal that you are going to be able to use during the school year.
Hi, my name is Chef Bob Giveaway. I'm here at Sarasota Keiser University. I've been here for about 10 years teaching both baking, pastry, and culinary arts. I'm here to help Dean Metch to utilize these ingredients to make some healthy meal for you.
I'll start with the raw ingredients. We have some raw chicken here that we will be doing a quick marinade on to show you how to marinate that, make it taste very good for your meals. This is just a simple yellow onion. We've got tomato, zucchini, some spinach. It's actually baby spinach, that way you don't have the stems so large. Easier little trick there. This is edamame, which is actually just soybeans. If you get it shelled, you can find it in the frozen food section. It's actually originally pig food. Pecans, got some eggs, feta cheese, corn tortillas. This is a simple pre-made honey dressing. We could teach you how to make dressing, but this is pretty simple to buy and marinate things with. We also have some riced cauliflower. You can rice your own with a box grater, but this might make your life a lot easier, especially with the busy school year coming up. And this is quinoa. They make a whole bunch of different flavors, but you can make your own quinoa and season it however you want. We thought it would be simpler because you don't need to boil with this, make your life easy. And lastly, an ingredient you may not be familiar with, this is soba noodles, which is a buckwheat pasta. After it's cooked, typically served cold. And so that will be a great ingredient to use in different dishes throughout the school year. Okay, the first recipe we're going to start with is the cauliflower fried rice. And one of the first ingredients that we'll cook off is the chicken, which we actually marinated with this dressing that you saw earlier. And this dressing is going to be used again in one of our other recipes. So we're cross-utilizing some things for financial reasons, make things simple and easy. So put a little bit of oil in the pan. Key to oil in the pan is you just need a little bit to coat. Most people use non-stick pans. That's what we're using today, so that you don't have to work too hard on keeping your ingredients from sticking to your pan. Okay, we're going to season that with just salt and pepper. This is black pepper. This is the first thing we'll cook off. Once the chicken's cooked, we'll move it to this bowl here. And then we'll start to saute all the other ingredients so the chicken doesn't get overcooked. We'll put that back in at the end. Okay, once your chicken's cooked, we're going to dump it into this bowl here. And because the pan's still hot, we're just going to add a teeny bit more oil. And then we've got some onion. And we'll saute this onion up. Whenever you're sauteing vegetables like onions or mushrooms, you always want to season those because the salt will start to draw the moisture out and they'll cook a little bit faster. It also flavors them, of course. And the next ingredient, once your onion starts to cook just a little bit, the next ingredient we'll add is going to be the edamame, which again is just a soybean product buy in the frozen food area at your local grocery store. Now, because this isn't fully cooked, that's okay, because you're going to add in your riced cauliflower at this point and let that cook down. Okay, so once your rice is cooked pretty well, your cauliflower rice product here, What we do is we add soy sauce, or if you have it, there's another product called Maggie's seasoning. That works really well too. Just to give it a little bit of that nice Asian flavor. We use low sodium soy sauce, of course. And then once that's done, I usually turn the heat down. And I push everything to one side. And then everybody's favorite thing in fried rice, scrambled eggs. And I essentially just scramble eggs on one side of the pan. And once those are done, I get it all mixed up in there. And then I add my chicken back. Toss it all together. And you got a pretty simple, healthy meal. There's very little carbs in this, just cauliflower, chicken, a whole bunch of proteins and vegetables. This is our finished cauliflower fried rice. And for more recipes, please check out our next video.